We'll guide you through how to use Photoroom in PC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To use Photoroom on your computer, begin by clicking the Google Chrome icon on your PC screen to open the web browser. After the browser opens, move your cursor to the search bar at the top of the window where you normally type a website address. Click the search bar so you can enter a new address. Next, type Photoroom into the search field and press the Enter key on your keyboard to begin the search. When the results appear, look for the top result that shows the official website, Photoroom.com, and click it to open the page. Once the website loads, find the button labeled Start Creating for Free and click it to begin using the service. After that, click the Sign In option so you can access the editor. If you do not yet have an account, choose the option that says Continue with Personal or Work Email. A new field will appear asking for your email address. Enter your email address carefully, then click the button labeled Magic Code. Next, open your email inbox and look for the message sent by Photoroom. Inside the email, you will see a verification code. Note the code, return to the Photoroom page, and type the code into the field provided on the screen. After entering the code, click Continue with Magic Code to confirm your login. At this point, your account has been successfully created and you can begin editing photo. Then click Select Photos to upload an image from your computer. Browse through your files until you find the photo you want to edit. Click the file once to highlight it, and then click Open to upload it to the editor. After the image appears in the workspace, you can begin editing it using the available tools. To add text to your image, click Add Text, choose the text template you want, and then type your desired words. If you want to remove the background from the image, click Backgrounds and select Remove Background. To improve the lighting effect, click AI Shadows to edit and adjust the shadows on the picture. Click Resize to change the size of the image so it fits your needs.